My name is Vera. I'm from the US. At Vinyasa Yogashala, my favorite part was actually the trauma healing session that was conducted. I never expected my experience to be so emotional and deep throughout this journey, and that session was extremely healing for me. It's a form of deep tissue massage that pinpoints where you store trauma within your body. And I experienced a really big release emotionally throughout it all. It was something I always wanted to experience, and I'm really happy I experienced it here. The healer was incredible, very loving, very caring, and it was a very uplifting experience for me. Honestly, I could even say it was life-changing and something that I want to do again in my life. I also need to appreciate everybody within the program that supported me throughout it, not just within the trauma healing session, but throughout all the other emotional parts that followed, the detox that we did, that followed all of the just intense work that we have put into the school, our practice. I'm just very grateful. It was amazing, and I'm filled with love and joy from it all. So thank you. Namaste.